Hello world, here is Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. Guys, today we will check together Bitcoin. What's going on? What the hell is going on with Bitcoin, guys? Fear and Greed Index, 91 points. Extreme greed here on the market. It's unbelievable what's going on with Bitcoin. Yesterday 93, last week 92, last month 75. Greed. Uh, let's take a look about Bitcoin here. Bitcoin in the technical. A quick overview here. What's going on one day here? The oscillators on the summary and the moving averages are telling us buy, strong buy Bitcoin, go, go, go. The weekly buy, the months, strong buy and buy, unbelievable. The 4 hour buy Bitcoin, strong buy. The hourly buy it, 15 minutes. And that's a little bit interesting now. The 15-minute oscillators are saying us stop, guy, sell. So we will take a look about it. The next 15 minutes, what's going on? Do we see a little retracement now? Or is it going to the moon or to Mars with Elon Musk? That's a very, very, very interesting question here, guys. Let's take a look about the Twitter account from Elon Musk. Twitter and Musk, and that's a really, really, really interesting thing here for Bitcoin, because yesterday, look at this Elon Musk's Twitter account. Elon Musk changed his picture here, his profile picture here, to a Bitcoin picture, and the whole world is flipping out, and Bitcoin is going to the moon, and it's awesome. Look at the pictures here on from Elon Musk here on the last days here. You can see here Chuck Norris, thumbs up, withdraw bitcoins now from Mt. Gox. You can see it here. Elon Musk is pumping Bitcoin to Mars momently. We see here another one coin to rule them all. Very nice picture here with a ring from Bitcoin. So Elon Musk is pumping Bitcoin, and that's in my opinion a main thing why Bitcoin is going up here too. It's not the over thing, but it's a big thing. Look at this. Elon Musk has 47 million follower. Look at this. And a lot of people are reading Elon Musk's Twitter. And if Elon Musk is writing in a Twitter, I like to eat a doner, everyone is going to buy a doner because the best meal of the world. So it's very interesting. Everything what Elon Musk makes is a big thing for all people on the world. So I think that's one of the main reasons why Bitcoin is pumping so extreme now. Okay, look at this. 15 minutes sell. We will take a look now deeper to Bitcoin for the first. But yes, here this is the coin market cap. This is our top 10 coin list here. Let's take a look about it. You see it, Bitcoin 55,500, a plus in 24 hours. In one day, 7% plus. In 7 days, 14.6% plus. Ethereum over 2000 now, 2013, 5% plus only versus Bitcoin. 5%, Bitcoin has 7%, and in 7 days 8%, Bitcoin has 14%. You see it here in the chart on the 7-day. Ethereum is going up, okay, perfect, but Bitcoin is pumping more. And very interesting, place number 3 now, Binance coin. Look at this, 300 US dollar, the Binance coin. I thought it is a pump and then maybe we see a big dump here, but no, look at this, 14.5% in 24 hours, 120%. Binance coin is outperforming everything momently here in our top list. Look at this chart, look at this explosion here, it's unbelievable. Polkadot is okay, 25% on a day. It's an extreme bump today for DOT, and on the weekly 18%. It's okay. ADA today extreme pumping. The altcoins are pumping today 16%, and yes, the altcoins are pumping, but Ethereum only 5%. Ethereum is not so much pumping here as the other altcoins. 1% only ADA in the week. You can see it this sideways, but now we saw a dump here for ADA. XRP today 9%. In the week it's going down. You can see it here. It's red with 3.7%. The Litecoin is going up here nicely. Chainlink is going up nicely. Bitcoin Cash is going up nicely. Everything is going up. Stellar XLM 5.6%. Indivic only 6%. Stellar is going sideways here since days. I'm interested on Stellar. What's going on here? Maybe we'll take a look about it. You have here the Dogecoin. The Dogecoin is going down 20% in a week. You can see it here. It was pumped from Elon Musk and it was dumped from Elon Musk. Interesting. The wrapped coin 8%, 14%. Okay, Uni is going up. You can see it here. All is green. All is going up, 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 up. What's the loser of the last 24 days? Of the last 24 hours. The loser is QNT Quant 10%. It's not so much. Not so really much minus 10% in a day. And what's the best one here? It's RAN 24 hours 50%. And what do we have here? Tetafuel. Tetafuel is a coin I never heard. Sorry. Okay, that are some coins here. They are pumping in 24 hours now extremely. In the 7 days, the best one is Dodo Dodo. Dodo Dodo, place number 89. Look at this, guys. 200% in 7 days. Bam. Give your money to the bank and say you would like to have 200% please in 7 days. I would like to know what they are talking to you. So, okay, guys, that's it for the coin market cap. It's always a funny thing to look at the coin market cap to keep your keep an eye on all coins here and to keep an eye on the crypto market. So, okay, let's go now. Bitcoin is here and the extreme colorful drawing from Biti. And yes, what's going on now? What can we see here? For the first, this is the 1 hour chart. You can see it. And for the first, yes, Biti, it was not so bad your last day. I would not say as I predicted and something like this because I don't like these things. You can't predict the future. You can't predict the market. You can make TA, you can read your wonder glass and you can say maybe it's going in this direction. But guys, you can't predict, please. I can't hear this. Okay, look at this. This is our uptrend here. Yes, I know it's a horrible drawing, a lot of stuff here. Let's turn off some things that it looks a little bit better here, that it's not so confusing us. This is the uptrend, this green uptrend. We are working in this uptrend. Bitcoin broke out from this rising wedge. Okay, perfect. Everything is fine. Bitcoin, you can see it here. This green one, this one. Bitcoin built a new uptrend here, and yes, we are in this new uptrend, and as you can see, we touched this uptrend here. So this was our main target for the short time for trading Bitcoin. Guys, it's so hard to trade Bitcoin momently because Bitcoin is only going up and up and up. We did not see a big retracement or a big dump or something like this. As a trader like me, I like to trade the waves. I'm showing you here daily. These waves, this is the big wave, it's going up here. So, and I like to buy this point here. This is my entry. And I like to sell this point here. This is my my sell point. I'm making this trade from here to here. But as you can see, Bitcoin never come back in our channel. Bitcoin is not only going up and up and up. So for me as a trader, it's so hard to find new entries. I have to make a channel in the channel because it's going only up and up and up. I have to make this support line so I can trade this one. I can try to trade this. This is a resistance. I can go in here. I can go out there. I can rebuy here. I can sell here, or I can wait to break it up. It's a really hard thing for TA trading momently for me personally because it's always going up. I know, guys, if you are not trading so much and if you are new in the market and everything is mooning for now, you say, oh, it's not hard to go in. I buy, I wait, it's only going up. Yes, you're right. Guys, you're right. On a bull run like this, it's easier to go in for a long time and wait and wait and wait and sell on a high point. That's much easier as this trading momently, I think, for these waves or for these things or for these patterns. because everything is going up and up and up and up. Yes, it's more profitable also if you're going long position for Bitcoin from a deep point and wait because of this bull run. But guys, I'm trading for about 4 years and I never saw such a big bull run like this. Yes, I saw the bull run 2017, 2018, I traded it, okay, but there was always a retracement. There was always a 20-30% retracement on the bull run to make a good rebuy on the long term on something like this. And on Bitcoin, we missed this. There is no big retracement. It's always going up and up, and that's the very hard point for me as a trader momently to trade. So, okay, but now back to Bitcoin. Yes, we have a new all-time high. Let's put out champagne. It's really clear the new all-time high is here. We have it 56,600. About this one was the new all-time here, and it touched our uptrend here. Perfect. Bitcoin is reacting of this trend line and it's now going sideways on the 1 hour chart. Let's take a look about the MACD. The MACD looks bearish momently. You can see it, the blue line crossed the brown line, and that's a bearish point now for the 1 hour chart. So in my opinion, we may see now a little retracement here, a little down going. I would not call it retracement, a little, what should I say, a little sell here. Because of this MACD, the because of this, we are on the up channel, and on the up channel, in the up channel, and it's we must see a little sell, please. That's for me a thing to watch. So this one is our big support for now. It's not red, it's now green because we broke it from here, from 53,000, we broke it up to 56,000. Now it's a support. If you are coming down here more and more, it's the next support, about 54,000. That's the support line, and it's possible to see a bounce from here to the upside again. It's possible. What's going on with our 5-wave theory? I showed you last time our 5-wave theory, and it's not working so fine here for Bitcoin momently. You saw it here, this was the fifth, the highest, then A, B, C, this was the deepest point, and then we started a new upgoing wave here. And now it's a little bit, it's not so easy here. Maybe, guys, let's take a look about this. Maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the 0.5 is not this one. What is, if we say the 0.5 is maybe this one? Could it be? This was a really nice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 upgoing, and then we should see a correction, and we don't see a correction here, and that's the thing. It's so hard to trade. Maybe it's going A, maybe it's going B, and maybe it's going to so hard. You can see it here. Is this C? Maybe, but that's not a really big correction. That's not the thing we would like to see here. So in my opinion, the 5-wave and up and the 3 point down is not working so good momently. If you have better ideas for this 5 up, 3 down, please write it in my comment. I will check it. Very nice. I will check it. But for me momently, it's not working so good, this down correction, because we had never a down correction here. It's so hard. Okay, guys, that's for the 1 hour chart. And now let's take a look about the 15-minute chart. You saw it here in our technically analyzing here, sell. Why is it saying we should sell? Why are the moving averages and all saying we should sell? Let's take a look about the 15-minute chart. Let's zoom in here and let's go in the 15-minute chart. So okay, you can see it here in the 15-minute chart. You see here the crossing was here last night on the highest point, or not on the highest point, before the highest point. It was the crossing, and now I can say the MACD is bearish. The blue line is under the brown line, and it's going down from this. Okay, we can watch at one thing here. This one. We are now in a little downtrend channel from the highest point to this and to this. This is our new downtrend channel, and we make it red. It's clear it's a downtrend channel. In the 15-minute chart, we have now a little downtrend, and we are turning on the EMA ribbon, and as you can see, that's another thing here. Bitcoin is here in this bullish phase, always over the EMA, touched it, fight back again, but it's now acting and fighting in this rebound band. So that's the thing for the 15-minute chart. You can see it here, Bitcoin fighting here in the middle of this EMA rebound band. And if we lose this rebound rent, this will turn into red, and we may see then a short signal, and may see then a more sell-off here. But guys, a thing is very important here on the 15-minute chart. Look at this. This is very important if you are trading on the short time. We have here for Bitcoin a low. Let me show you. This was a low here. This was a low here. This was a low here. And this point now, this one here, is the same high of this point here. So it's now, it's not a lower low now, but it's very dangerous for Bitcoin to build a new lower low here. Maybe this wick is going down to this point here, then we have a lower low. And if we are building lower lows, guys, you know it, it's going down a little bit. So you can see we are building here higher highs, always high, and this one is the highest high. And then we are building lower highs like this or like this. So it's important to see now, are we building more lower highs and lower lows? This candle is important, or the next, is the wick is going down under this ribbon band? Then okay, the next thing I would say, it's now a little bit bearish for Bitcoin in the 15-minute charts. Guys, we have in the 15-minute charts. Always think about this. One thing we would like to check is the buy and sell indicator. What does it say here? And yes, okay, you can see it here. Here was the perfect point to sell. No, the perfect point to sell was here, but nobody could know this point to sell, because this is our trend line. And okay, these points are good sell points also here, but here was a good point to sell, and now we are back in our uptrend channel again. So let's take a look for now, for the next hours, for the next time, what's going on here. We will like to know, guys, for now, it's important for the day, what can we await from Bitcoin? What is our next support line? You can see it, that's the green line here. Next support is 54,000. Okay, that's clear. That's a thing that's very, very clear here. A next thing we can draw is here a line from this to this. That's also a very nice support here, and that's about this point. So if Bitcoin is going down a little bit now, look at these things. Look at 54,000, look at 53,000. But I don't want to talk a lot of downgoing Bitcoin, because everything is mooning. Let's have a look. What is our next target for Bitcoin? What's the next thing we can await? What's the next sell point? Maybe if you are long here, let's take a look about it. Let's go in the 1-day chart. And for now, let's zoom it up here. And let's give all these things here away. We would like to have a clear view here. So this is here our rising wedge. We can say it's a rising wedge. I'm not so sure. I'm not so a fan of this rising wedge here, but okay, maybe this is a rising wedge. Let's make a line. We made it yesterday too, but now let's check it again. This line from here to here, and to the breakout maybe from here to here. This is maybe the breakout. But for me, it's not so a clear rising wedge, guys. I'm not so sure. It's about 68,000. The target, if this is a rising wedge, if this is breaking out, it's 68,000. Okay. But now we will take a look on another thing. We will make a Fibonacci, guys. I would like to show you the Fibonacci for Bitcoin. This is the daily chart. This was 2017. This was the big pump. This was the big dump. We are making now a Fibonacci line here. Let's take a look about where it is. Here it is. A Fibonacci retracement from the highest point to the lowest point. The lowest point was something like this. So guys, you can see it here. It's a very nice, colorful picture, and it's here now. Bitcoin 1-day chart, and you can see it here. The next Fibonacci line is a 3.6, and that's this point here. So guys, If we are going up here more and more, yes, we are in undiscovered territory never seen before, like Starship Enterprise. We are diving into the space here, but we have some help here for some tools. That's the Fibonacci tool, and as you can see, this point here is about 64,000. So if we are now rising in this galaxy here, up and up and up more, direction to Mars, this is the next thing, in my opinion, 64,000. That could be our next target, that could be our next resistance because of Fibonacci. Uh, the, the pattern breakout is 68,000 for sure, and the main target, if it's going to the Andromeda galaxy, it's 74,000. So this is the next thing in the long time. We may await from Bitcoin if it's going up and up and up more and more and more. One thing to take a look about to the downside is this big support here on 47,500. So for the long term, let's talk about the next week. We have as long-term support 47,000, and we have targets to the upside 64, 68, 74,600 that are clear targets and resistances and supports. So guys, that's it for me. A very long video for today for Bitcoin, but it was important for me to show you all things that are not all things, sorry, some things about Bitcoin, what can we evade and what's going on here for the next time. We will go deeper, we have more TA tools, we have a lot of more things, but step by step we will go deeper, I will promise. So guys, I wish you the best of luck. Trade it to hell. Make all you can with this big pump. It's so nice to see this big pump. And I hope you can make money. I hope you can make millions, guys. I wish you the best of luck. One thing, please know, because it's very important for me. This is my Bitcoin trading informant channel. It's here live 24 hours, 7 days a week. This is my baby. I'm working about over 1 year on this live stream. You can see it here on the right side. A lot of nice guys are writing here. We have a nice community. I love them all. Ant Empire is a great supporter. Angry Higgins, Rohit's Rage, Boba Fett is here. A really nice community writing here and helping us together. We help us together. If we need something or if you need something, write it in the chat. Please join my live stream on Twitch or also on YouTube, Bitcoin Trading Informant. Please guys, I need you here on this channel. I need your support here, and if you have any questions, something like this, come on and join us here. So have a nice time. Bye bye. Greetings. Your Biti, your Bitcoin Trading Informant.